So I've been browsing through YouTube, and guess what? I'm seeing people making millions just by posting faceless videos. Yup, you heard that right. Faceless videos. And I thought, why not join the party? But here's the catch. I don't want to spend hours editing or showing my face. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these faceless videos using AI, and I'm going to do it without a single camera shot or fancy editing. Stick around because it's going to be a fun ride. Now, let's talk about this AI tool I found. Invideo.ai. This platform can create full videos just from your script. No kidding. All you need is a few lines and boom. The AI does everything for you. I'm not talking about some robotic thing that makes your videos look all weird. It's actually pretty cool. Bunch of templates to choose from. You can make explainer videos, ads, animations, and more. Just plug in your script, and it'll create a video based on that. I used their 3.0 version because that's where the magic happens. Create a dynamic Nike ad for e-commerce, showcasing people in action wearing Nike. Highlight key features like comfort, performance, and style with bold text overlay. End with the iconic "Just Do It" line. Tone, energetic, and inspiring. I pasted it into InVideo, clicked Create Video, and waited for the AI to work its magic. I know, it's like watching paint dry, but hey, it's totally worth it. Okay, video's ready. Now, let's take a look. You'll see a watermark at first, but don't worry, that disappears once you export the video out.
If you don't like
All right,
losing, but
I'm
still
watching the
play
video
hard,
now,
then
and
gear
it's
up with Nike.
looking pretty solid.
Athletes, it's time
The
to
scenes are
rise.
clean, and the energy's
Nike
just
brings you
right.
unmatched
Of course, we
cutting-edge
still have those
performance and
watermarks, but
undeniable style.
once exported,
From
they're
the new
gone.
Mad and
If you're not
classic Air
loving
Max,
something,
every
like
piece is
say, a
designed for
scene with
defiant
someone
winners.
lifting weights,
Feel the power,
because
own the
why
moment,
not?
and conquer
You can just remove it with
This
a
is your
quick
time.
tweak.
Just
It's
do
that simple. Now, not everything's perfect. I ran into a minor issue where it said, hardware acceleration disabled. I clicked on support, but it led to a broken page. Classic. However, don't let that throw you off. The tool still works great, and these minor bugs are just part of the tech world. Overall, InVideo's super easy to use, especially for faceless videos. It's not flawless, but it's a solid tool for getting the job done without a ton of editing effort. You want to try it out for yourself? Check out the link to InVideo in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with any other cool tools you've tried. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.